Welcome to Red's Rotors. While we make the necessary adapters to get our rebuilt Nikki carburetor flow tested, we are putting the finishing touches on before tuning, like an idle screw, useful for setting the idle speed, and a custom throttle position sensor, useful for data when tuning a motor. Series 1 RX7s featured an idle switch assembly that kind of looks like a throttle position sensor. But then the Series 2 RX7 came along and made it look even more like a TPS. Very convincing. On this particular Nikki variant, Mazda fitted the throttle position switch to signal when the throttle is applied and let the car know when to richer the fuel mixture via the electronic power valve found on the throttle body. The linear position sensor we are attaching today works directly with the Haltech RX7 dash. That way, we can log and analyze the data on our tune without trying to read a screen while flying down the highway. Paired with a dual-channel O2 wideband kit and some other key sensors. This is all standalone with no computer needed. There are cheaper solutions on the market, but just ask yourself, what is my engine really worth to me? And will my wife find out? These are but a few of the risks versus rewards to manage. But if you want some accurate data, this standalone Haltech system is rock solid. Once a couple of extension arms are measured up and welded onto the accelerator linkage and throttle cable bracket, Red slapped on some chemical-proof high-heat paint to get the adapters looking fancy. And a few shims later, we are locked and loaded. That ought to get the job done. My only beef is the additional $180 spent on the linear position sensor for this 40-year-old intake. What are we now? 685 Kiwi dollars in the red? And counting. Well, that's all we have time for today. Hope to see you back again soon.